previous period, I told you that we will have one notebook, and we named that notebook as mental maths notebook. Okay. In that notebook, I will always mention where you have to do that work. Whatever the work I will give you, where you have to do the work, whether in book, whether in notebook, with the blue pen or with the red pen, I will tell you. Okay, it will be written over here. So you just see here where we have to do that work. Mental maths, beta, that will not come in exam, but it will be helpful to you. It will be easy for you because in maths notebook there are very easy questions, and you scored really well in your maths exam, all of you in the class. You scored really well in your maths exam, so I think you can do a little bit tough questions also in fourth C section. Okay, please don't tell this to any other section student because they are not doing it. Okay, they have to do their syllabus work first. They have to complete the syllabus work first. Okay.
Ma'am, other class has not done their syllabus only.
They will do the syllabus work, okay, because they did not scored such so well that as much as you all scored well. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little bit tough questions. I think you all can do tough questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This will not come in exam. Still, I'm teaching you, but don't think, "Hey, ma'am, jo hai, if it will not come in exam, we will not do." Okay, everyone has to do. Even if it is not coming in exam, you have to do it. It will be good for you. It will be good for you. When you will reach higher classes, you know that I will do this. I can do it. Good, Iram. Good, good, good. Do not show, Iram. So I'm writing with the blue pen. I hope you all can see. Abhi, wait. Just wait for a minute. I can see only Iram. Do not switch off your video, okay? Everyone has to keep their videos on. Mental maths notebook. Everyone take it out. Now I'm going to give you a little bit tough questions. Okay, now the question is, write question 1. Oh, sorry, I have to write with black pen. Sorry. Whatever I write with black pen, all of you have to write it with black pen. Put down today's date. Date I've written with black pen or blue pen? Tell me. Black pen. That means you have to also write down the date also.
Ma'am, pen or pencil?
Pencil. Whatever I am writing, it's with black pen. But you have to write it down with pencil. Adrika, you are coming first time to the class?
No, ma'am.
Have you done the class before? Maths class? Maths class.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Maths class, have you attended before?
Ma'am? Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Beta.
Ma'am, what you are writing?
What I am writing? I am writing this.
Yes, ma'am.
Write this.
Ma'am, I can't see.
You can't see.
I can't see. Ma'am, ma'am, can you speak?
Why?
Ma'am, I can't see your photo.
My photo, after my photo, is there somebody else's photo is coming? Tell me. The one who is speaking, that photo is coming.
Ma'am, I can see all students, but not you.
Beta Dev, there is one option where you can see my video, where my name is coming. You can see spotlight video or pin video. You can use that option, Dev. Spotlight video or pin video. Is there in front of my name? In front of my name, it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Spotlight video या फिर pin video. Do one of these. Click on that one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now it is okay.
Okay. All of you who face this issue, who want to see my face on the video, just do this pin video or the spotlight video. Otherwise, I have a spotlighted for everyone. Let me see.
Ma'am,
beta.
we have to write one also.
You have to write one?
Yes, ma'am, because every
all means, yes. All means every factor you have to take. Do first question quickly. Just wait. Do answer one, solve answer one, and send me the work on WhatsApp. I want to see all your factors of 42, sorry.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, this question write all factors of 42.
Hmm.
Ma'am, this is same as can be find out which of the number is that divisible by
No,
6.
no. You don't know how to take out the multiples, factors. I taught you in previous class, I taught you how to take out the factors.
Ma'am, I am not. Ma'am, you have not tell.
I have not told to you, any one of you. Have I told or not?
No.
Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, you have told factors.
Have we done the question A on based on factors or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do
Ma'am,
the
can you
second one
tell me
also.
again?
Don't send me the first one, second one, and third one together.
Ma'am, can you tell me again?
Beta, factors, it will take a lot of time, beta. I can tell you afterwards, but just wait for a minute, I will tell you. Let me give them the question, other students. Dave, I think you have not attended the previous class. That's why it's happened. Beta, if you don't attend the previous class, please watch the previous lecture. Okay, if you're not attending one of the class, suppose you're not able to attend this class, then please
Ma'am,
watch the
I have
previous
attended.
lecture. I have
Ma'am,
made
when
a,
the ma'am,
I have
when
made a
these
playlist.
classes are
Listen to me. Listen to me. I have made a playlist of 4th C. You can see which lecture did you just mark on your timetable which lecture you did not attend. You can watch that
Ma'am,
lecture afterwards. Okay, I will send you the
ma'am,
playlist link also today. This is very easy, second one. Those who have done, just send me the answers. I want to see how you have taken out the factors. हाँ बेटा. Naira. What I have written?
ma'am, I have sent on WhatsApp.
One is left. अच्छा नहीं 1, 2, 3. Iram, please type. Beta, your voice is not coming properly. Please type what you are saying. Suppose we have to find out the factors of 42. How will we find it out? First, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write numbers, okay? Here in the rough column. So, first of all, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 will come here definitely. Leave some gap in between and write 42 in the end. Okay? Leave some gap in between and write 42 in the end. Then what you have to do? Then you will check it 1, done. Now which number you have to check? 2. By 2. 42 is divisible by 2, yes or no? Yes, very good. I can see all of you nodding your head in a yes. How do you know? Because this is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide 42 by 2. We will divide 42 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Subtract it. You will get 0 here. 2 will be copied over here. 2 1s are 2. Subtract it. You will get double 0. That means 2 21s are is 42. So you are going to write 2 here and 21 here. It will be easy for you. It's not compulsory that you write it there only, but you can write it. Okay, it will be easy for you. Okay, otherwise you are going to find it. It will take a lot of time. So 2 you cut. Now check by 3. Is it divisible by 3, 42? Yes or no? No, why Ashvik? 4 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 42 is divisible. Well, we are going to divide 42 by 3 now. Although it is divisible, that's why we are checking. 3 1s are 3. Subtracted 1 to 12. 3 4s are 12.
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice.
And 0. And 0 here. Okay, so what will be here? 14. So we will write 3. How many times? 3 14s are. So we will write 14 this side. Now 42 is divisible by 4 or not? See, 4 1s are 4 and 2 will be the remainder. So it is not divisible by 4. So let's cut 3 also, 4 also. Is it divisible by 5? Yes or no? 42 is divisible by 5, yes or no? No, it is not divisible by 5. So leave it. We will not divide it. 6. In 6 tables, 42 come or not? When comes? Very good. I can see the nodding of your heads. Yes. When does 7?
7.
42 comes in the table of 6.
6 7 the
6, 7 are 42. So you are going to write 6, comma 7. As you now next, if you cut 6, now next what will come? 7. But 7 is already written over here. Now we will stop. Now we will not check any other number. Understood? How to take out the factors? So I have taken out the factor 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. If there is any other factor other than this in your notebook, then rub it. If there is any other factor other than these factors, then rub it. And if there is any less also, then also write it. And do not write any factor twice. Okay, the greatest factor of 39 is. So, beta, see, any number is the greatest factor of itself. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. Because Ashvik, sit properly. Keep your phone somewhere. Sit straight. Yes, good. So, beta, see, greatest factor of 39 is what? Suppose this is 42. So, the greatest factor is 42. There will not be any number which is greater than 42. Okay, greatest factor of 39 is what? 39. Understood? Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Any problem or any doubt to anyone? If you have, then you may raise your hand. I can check. I can check. Any one of you raising your hands, you can raise your hand. But make sure your video is on. If your video is off, how can I see that you are raising your hand? Dave, why haven't switched off your video? Jayesh, you entered right now. Or you were there, present over there. Jayesh, your mic is off. How can I hear you? You're speaking.
Ma'am,
Dave. What is in your mouth?
ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes?
No,
Ma'am,
I
my
cannot.
dog has come to me.
No, I cannot wait. Jayesh, what were you saying, beta? You were present?
Ma'am, I am present over there. Yes, ma'am.
You were present in the class. Okay. I didn't saw you earlier. Okay, shall I rub this? Iram?
Ma'am.
Yes, Iram? Yes, Iram, beta. Iram, listen to me first. Do you have an earphone? Do you have an earphone at home? Please use the earphone. Please come back with earphone. Go and bring it quickly. Okay, I'm going to give you the next question. So check the divisibility of 3840 by one. You have to do it. First, you have to check it by 2. Same number. The number will be same. Then by 3. Then by 5. Then by 6. Then by 9. Then by 10. Okay. Iram, now you speak.
We have to take.
Yes.
We have to take the.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Yes, Iram. Yes, Iram. Yes. Write this quickly. Iram, now your voice is clear. You must use earphone when you speak, okay? Now your voice is clear.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I
Send
have
it
done.
all. Beta, you have
Yes,
to show the checking also. You have to show how have you done it by 2, how have you done it by 3, how have you done it by 5. Like this, you have to check.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Yes or no? You have to solve it like, for example, 3840. So you check the last digit. So what you will do? You will write here last digit is equals to 0. So you will write yes. Like this you will do. Okay. Now see if it is, for example, if it is 3. For 3, what you do? What you do in 3? You add all the digits. 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0. Okay. 8, 15 divided by 3. Is it possible? Then you will write
Yes.
yes here. Like this you have to do. Do it quickly. In 6, you showed that it is divisible by 2 or not, by 3 or not. Okay, in 6, you can show this one directly. In 6, you can write like this, you can write.
Ma'am,
Ha, beta.
the last digit not should be 0. It will be more 10.
Where, in which one?
Second.
In second, this one.
Ma'am,
I'm not getting Ashwik what you are saying. Please say it again.
in the first question, I'm saying that last digit should be 2.
Right? It is 0. It is 0 only. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
I have done. Ma'am, I have done. I have done.
Good.
Then can I post it on WhatsApp?
Yes. I want to see. Be quick, okay?